Welcome back, guys. How you guys doing today, guys? I'm about to say this intro quick, but yeah, anyway, let me say this intro. Because I got my BB gun. I told my friends I would be doing a BB gun video. So this is a responder 911 match. And I'm about to put it on safety. Hold on. Matter of fact, I ain't putting it on safety. Because, I'm about to try to shoot a bird. But
we gonna get up down the playground high and shoot the bird, okay?
But guys, it ain't gonna shoot too far. It's like the bird is like over there, but guys, if y'all new to the channel, subscribe.
We can camouflage under that playground.
Hold on. If y'all new to the channel, like and subscribe this video, big thumbs up. And if y'all, like and subscribe this video, big thumbs up.
Oh, we can go by the ladder and be still.
Which one I'm gonna do next? And turn on my post notifications down below, so when I post videos, you'll get the notification. And follow me on Instagram at O'Brien Truesdale 1 and O'Brien Truesdale and O'Brien Truesdale. I mean, I got all three of them, but you don't have to follow. I mean, you don't have to follow all three of them. And follow me on Snapchat at O'Brien Truesdale. I mean, I got 3 accounts, but don't follow me on them. But guys, there. So, and when y'all done, comment down below. But guys, it's like over here. So guys, the bird is over there. But guys, I already got this, And I had did a video. Wait, that look like a what's the name that's on that tree? I can't tell. That look like a guys, comment down below what that look like. Right there, I'm gonna show y'all guys. Right there, what that look like to you? I'm gonna zoom in.
Dead bird.
I mean, guys, this is why I didn't do this video yesterday. I did one when I was in Dollar General, but then I said I was gonna do one in I did one in Smalls, and I said I was gonna do one in Dollar General, but probably the bird is gone. But I didn't get to do one in Dollar General because because I had to post a video, so I probably might do one tonight. It depends on how I feel, I don't know, but I might do a reaction video or another vlog today. But yeah,
I wish I had a vlog.
Hey guys.
I wish I had a vlogging camera so I could video record them deer that be down there.
But anyway, guys, I'm trying to get
when I go to school.
But it's people over there in that corner, so I can't just what if I just shot myself in the face? But these are BBs. Hold on. If I got one in my pocket, I can show y'all. All right, here I got one. So look.
Well, you can use that in case
it's
you
these.
shoot the
I get white
ones.
ones. Yeah.
You can use that
So
in case
guys,
you shoot the other one loose.
Okay, I'm gonna put the gun on safety right now until I see one. I hear it, and I don't know.
See him right down there, Lou.
Where is that?
Right there.
Now, cause I think it flew off. Oh, I see it. It's keep flying back and forth. I tried to shoot it before I even recorded, but I can't. I gotta wait. It's gonna take a minute, cause guys, I noticed something when I recorded.
Get on the playground.
Y'all probably heard that, but
I'm gonna get on the fence on the playground.
Let me put this on safety.
And watch you shoot the bird.
Alright, guys, this on safety. See, I had shot it.
Oh, but you ain't know I could climb
Now
the
it's
fence.
on safety. Go ahead. My sister's gonna record when I shoot it.
Okay.
But anyway, yeah, I got this gun yesterday. I was gonna do a video about it. But
show them me.
Look, she just want me to record her doing this. Oh snap! My hand, the sleeve got stuck on the fence. But now I'm trying to find out where I can find one. But I don't know. Trying to go run over there and see if they still. Never mind. Here, hold the gun. Put it on. Don't even touch it, man. Matter of fact, hold it. Just hold it. Hold it down. Hold it down. Hold it down. Yeah. So guys, now I'm gonna see it. There's one right up there, guys. Matter of fact, there's one up here. Here, it's right. Hold on. If I can get it right there. I think right there. And I'm gonna try to zoom in. Yeah, you can probably see it. It's somewhere on this tree, but it's
a red bird right there too.
Right there. I think it's right there. Well, anyway, I'm gonna be trying to shoot at that. I don't know how far this BB gun can shoot, because like I said, I just now got it yesterday, but my sister's gonna be recording. Matter of fact, I'm gonna see if matter of fact, you hold it. Just hold it. Hold it. I'm letting my sister. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna let her shoot it. I was gonna let her. Come on. Never mind. Yeah, come on. Alright. The bird is like, it's like directly. Well, I can't say it right. Directly. Right. I can't see it no more. I just saw it, guys. I don't know if it's, where is it now? Don't point that gun that way. Guys, like I said, it was like up here. But I'm trying to see directly where it is that. Come over here. Oh, it's a butterfly. I thought it was a bird. Oh, there's one right here. One right here. Look, guys. Hold on. Come here, Shauna. Give me the gun. This one. No. Right here. Record it. It's like one. Hold on. Somewhere up there, but I'm gonna try to shoot it if I can see it.
I'm gonna climb over there and play with it.
No. Stay over here.
Hey, Zanadia. Hey.
See, guys, I'm gonna try to hit it. I think I saw a bird.
You don't need to be pointing that.
I can't see it. Oh, there's one right here, guys. Come on. Guys, come on. There's also one right here. I'm gonna try to get the one y'all can see. Man, look how they flying on. Oh, this right here. They're flying on this direction. Alright, guys. They like right here. Shining. Look at it when you record. Oh, let me see. Hold it. Oh, guys, it's also one right. Hold on. Let me show them. Hold on. If y'all could probably see this. Man, every time I try to look off the camera and then I look back at the camera, it's gone. It's one actually right here somewhere. But y'all might not can see because of the sun. No! Alright, guys. It just flew. Well, guys, I'm going to try to shoot one, but even though I'm probably going to miss. Let me see. Alright, guys. They found over here by this little tree. So you're trying to record. Look at it while you record it.
Yeah,
they all flying away, guys. Stay. You're not recording it. You're not even doing it right. That's why you can't be recording it. That's why I'm not letting you record. Look at it while you're recording. I got it.
Stop talking.
Guys, this went on the trip. My sister's not recording right, but guys, if you look, if it's still over there, is one directly on this tree. I can't say it right. Directly on this tree. Over there. But guys, I'm gonna still shoot it even though I can't. Now look at it while you record. Oh, guys! No, I'm gonna try to get this one. Come on. Guys, there's a lot of birds right there.
One just went behind me close.
But every time I
One went behind me close.
Oh my God. Guys, this is kind of hard because every time I look, they run. Okay, there's one right here. Come on. Look at it while you're recording. This is a mission. Record me. Guys, this is a mission.
You okay?
Yeah. They just run. I think they have got shot before. I think they family got shot. My sister can't record good. Guys, if this video not a banger, oh, hold on. I gotta hold a gun to my left right here because it's like people like right over there behind me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to stick like close and be very still. So guys, it's gonna probably take me a minute, guys. But when I noticed something in my video, like the one I recorded, I had blurred out something. And the reason why I didn't edit that one, because like I mean, I know how I've been posting a long time. Like not a long time, but like a long time. Well, yeah, like a long time. But anyway, I blurred out something on the side. But you know how on the TV, when it got that little white stuff on there?
I think I saw
Well, guys, anyway,
I think
I did it to that other video. But guys, I think it's one in this tree. Shonda, come here. Try to get something. Go over here. Stay over here. Record. Look real closely while you record. Don't put your hand in the camera. See, you can't record good. Hold it with both hands. Hold it. You got hands, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Now, what I'm gonna do? It's a bee behind you, but it's not. It's going that way. You need to. You see, look up, turn it up like this. All right, guys. Y'all can put that down. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can hit a tree, so I can see if I can hit it. Record it. It's like I can't even get one to go at the tree. But guys, matter of fact,
there is nested something.
let me see if I could probably shoot one, or I could go through the woods and shoot one. I mean, I could go out there, even though this is gonna be hard because I don't feel like going out there in the woods. You know how it is. I mean, but you ain't gonna go down there, huh? Dang it, David. Wait here, hold this. I want to see if I even shot all my bullets out. Yeah, I shot all my bullets out. How am I record me? How am I even shoot something? I shot all my bullets. So put one in there. I'm putting one because the simple fact is it's let me just record. Like it's every time I look one in there, like it's messed up like my gun. I mean, sorry, but like like it shoot 2 bullets out of it at the same time, but it's not supposed. Stop that line. Go anyway. Like I had blurred out in my video. Like, and plus I didn't want to record it because I had put my grandma's phone number in there. And I thought of it today while I was in school. I wasn't going to record it. But guys, I'm trying to see if I could, like, get a bird on camera. Here, I'm going to just put the gun, like, to the side. I mean, it's cocked up. Never mind. Yeah, it's cocked up. So what I'm going to do is basically, guys, if this video, it gets probably, I'm going to say 5 likes or 1. I'll probably do another video like this. But guys, I'm going to be buying me another gun like this. So I'm going to be showing y'all. My sister's going to have one. She's going to be having this one. And I had the other one. But like, I'm trying to get one like where I can shoot it. But I can't even like get one where I can shoot it. Look on his window. It's like a bug or something. But guys, this video ain't going to be long. So I'm trying to. Matter of fact, you think I should just shoot something? Yeah, I'll just shoot something. Matter of fact. I ain't about to trying to shoot nobody, trust me, you know, because people be, oh, birds right here, birds right here, birds right here. Hold on, guys, so I'll be going up here. Hopefully nobody won't be seeing me. Huh? Just right up here. All right, my mom had called me, and she was asking me where I was going, and I told her I was going right up there. But guys, try to go up here because it's like birds will flying up. Oh, dang it. Alright, dang it. I see one right there. Guys, I didn't want. Now I see. Oh, guys, hold on. Guys, I think it's one like over there. But after I try to reshoot it or just shoot something, I'm gonna just sit here. I'm just going like right here. Guys, you hear that noise? There's like birds in the tree. Oh, it's a squirrel. Guys, if you look like right up here, y'all might see. This is like a squirrel right there. There. Right there. I think that's a squirrel. I mean, yeah, I know that's a squirrel. But y'all can't see it because it's like camouflage. But I ain't gonna try to shoot. Wait, never mind, because they home. But I'm not about to just be disrespectful and just shoot and then, you know, stuff like that. I can't even find one, guys. That's how dumb that is. Yeah, matter of fact, they ain't gonna hurt me. It's not gonna hurt me. I just shoot the squirrel. Alright, guys. Even though they probably be looking out the window, the squirrel is like right. Yeah, now y'all can see it. It's like right there. Let me zoom in and see if I can shoot it. Alright, guys. I'm aiming. God dang it. You can see. Alright, I'm about to aim. Oh, I missed. He's looking. I thought I hit it for a minute. Alright, guys, he's running. He's going up. He's like right there. I could get like a good aim of him. Everything. But guys, matter of fact, I ain't gonna try to shoot it again. I think I about hit him, but I was slightly off. I'm about to just shoot something, like get a couple something, just shoot it, and just show y'all. And I'm in a video. So guys, yeah, get this video like 30 likes, cause I know this video ain't gonna probably get like to probably 20 something likes. But on my other YouTube channel, I had got a lot of views, like 24, 18 sometimes. But it's more than nothing. Like I said, guys, that's more than nothing. So guys, actually, yeah. So if y'all can still subscribe to that channel, and that channel is just Running Shoes Dale. It'll probably be in the description, but I might not put it in the description. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna shoot the video again because I had shot it. I had shot it, but then let the thing, the thing.
Hey, LB.
Hey.
You said, hey, LB.
Like, guys, the thing. I tried to shoot a squirrel, but I can't shoot the squirrel because. Well, guys, I'm gonna probably get like a little. Mom. I'm gonna just probably shoot this cup. Mom, can I shoot this cup? Or are you gonna use it? Huh? I can use it? Alright, guys, I guess I'll be shooting this cup. And I ain't gonna shoot it in half, but I'm gonna shoot it outside. And then that's when I'm gonna end this video. So, I ain't about to shoot it in half, so I'm gonna shoot it outside. Hold on. So I can show you guys, and then I'm gonna be editing this video. This video will be dropped afterwards. So guys, look, I got it right here. What? You can tell I shot that squirrel because the bullet gone. Huh? So guys, this yeah. Guys, they like talking too much. I mean, they talking too much, but like, I'm not gonna go at the back because they're like, go back there. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to see. But I'm gonna keep the gun right here. You don't know if somebody could try to take it. Never mind, guys. Ain't nobody back here, so that's why I was talking quiet because of that. But guys, this time I'm not talking quiet. So I'm trying to end this video, so it won't be that long because I'm trying to edit it. So yeah, guys, let me just shoot this cup. So guys, look real closely, and dang it, it's not even cocked. You can tell I'm truly dumb. I forgot it was. Hold on. I forgot it wasn't cocked. Now it's cocked. So yeah, guys, let me. Dang it. Y'all think I should zoom in? Matter of fact, never mind. Matter of fact, yeah, zoom in. Alright, guys. Yeah, matter of fact, it was already zoomed in. So I'm about to shoot it. 3, 2, 1. Let me see if I can aim. So, guys, matter of fact, it put a dent, like, right here. Hold on, let me zoom out. It put a dent, and like, hold on, right, y'all can see it a little bit, like, right there where my thumb is. But, guys, y'all want me to put a hole in it. So, guys, the bullet came back, and it's right here. So, guys, I'm going to pop this back up, and I'm going to do it again. Dang, I'm getting it all dirty. That's how you get it rusty. Oh, I picked up an acorn, and then, like, I thought it was like a BB for a second. I gotta wipe my hands off. And oh yeah, it's caught. Dang it. I'm truly down for that. So guys, here. Wait, did it even? Never mind. They put 2 bullets in it. I mean, holes in it. Hold on. Not holes in it, but like dents in it. I don't know where the bullet went though. So I'm already in this video. Like right here, but I'm gonna just put the thing in the top. Hold on. So I'm gonna just like put the bullet if I can find it, or if I got one on me, I just put the bullet at the top. So that's the one I shoot before this one. That's the one I shot, and that's the one I shot. Because if I can this one, or if I find that one, I will try to. I'm looking. I don't see it at all. I don't see it, but guys, matter of fact, dang, y'all heard that? But guys, anyway, I don't see it. But anyway, guys, like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next, and I'll surely do another video with this. So you guys stay tuned. I will do another video, and it's every day, bro. I just playing. I'm with that J Paul, but peace.